VS Code and GitHub Copilot is a powerful combination to boost your developer productivity. In case you missed it, here's a roundup of the latest Copilot features in this month's VS Code release. Copilot Chat can now generate commit messages using the new Sparkle action in the source control input box. You can now interact with Copilot Chat using agents, which are like experts who have a specialty that they can help you with. There are currently 2 agents, and you can talk to them in the chat by mentioning them with the @ symbol. @VS Code knows about commands and features in the VS Code editor itself and can help you use them. And @Workspace has context about the code in your workspace and can help you navigate it, finding relevant files or classes. And each agent also supports a few / commands, and the / commands that you may have used before should now be used with an agent. For example, /createWorkspace is now @workspace/new. But as a shortcut, you can also just type / for a list of completions that will automatically expand to the full agent and command. When you ask Copilot Chat to explain a code selection, it now includes the implementations of reference symbols such as functions and classes, leading to more accurate and useful explanations. Inline Chat now types at the rate at which a response is being received. This is a more natural experience than the previous behavior of waiting for the entire chat response to be received before applying it to the editor. Generated imports are now always put to the top of the file or below existing import blocks. The chat view now guides you through the process of signing into GitHub and activating your free trial of GitHub Copilot. Additionally, the view now remains active between window reloads, so you don't have to manually reopen it. By default, Copilot Chat now initially responds using your configured display language in VS Code. You can override this automatic behavior by configuring the GitHub Copilot Chat locale override setting. You can also control whether Copilot Chat greets you with a verbose welcome message when you first start a conversation by configuring the GitHub Copilot Chat welcome message setting. The options are first, always, and never. When a failed command is run in the terminal, Copilot will now offer a quick fix to explain what happened. This can be triggered via the sparkle icon next to the current terminal prompt. And when a code block has a shell language type, the run in terminal action is now surfaced on hover of the code block. And the inline chat can now reply with commands to be run in the terminal. Finally, Copilot can now offer CLI command suggestions via the Control-I or Command-I key binding when the terminal is focused. This brings up quick chat with @workspace/terminal pre-filled, which is optimized for suggesting shell commands using the current shell.